Say hi, bud. You helping Daddy? Will, you helping Daddy?
Yeah.
Let's go see what he's doing. Lots of snow. Our car's tucked away.